Hi friends, I am Ali back here again with a new video. Today in this video I am going to tell you about the more attributes of list. In my previous video I have told you about some basic attributes which were 5, and now I am going to tell you more 5 attributes of list. You have to grip on the list since it is very important in any of the programming language, and in Python it is also very important. So after this video you will able to use more such 5 attributes which are very important. So without wasting any time, I am going towards my PyCharm. Here, like previous video, I have already written a list in which I have put the 5 names of the fruits. Now for the first attribute, what if I want to add the multiple elements in a list in one time? In my previous video I told you regarding addition of element by using append, but that time only one element can be added. But in this video I will tell you how to add more than one element. So what you have to do is you have to write L1, then the method L1.extend. This is, and then the parenthesis of the method. Now in this you have to add a list in a list. So you have to open a bracket and then you have to write the name. I am writing the name, I will write lemon, and then then commas, then I'm again giving it the banana, and then I'm going to give it the I will write pomegranate. Here I have written this. Now I am going to print L1. Now you will see what happens. I am going to run this. Here you can see lemon, banana and pomegranate. All 3 items have been added simultaneously in the list. So this was my first attribute. Now I am going what to do when you have to remove the particular element from a list. In my previous video I told you regarding the deletion by using index, but now I am telling you how to remove any element. For this you have to write L1. Now I am using remove, and then opening parenthesis. What I have to write is the element I want to remove from the list. So I want to remove here lemon. Now I would write print L1, and then I'm going to run this code again. Here you can see the lemon has been disappeared. By this you can remove any particular element. Now if you want to delete a last element of a list, you have to use the pop, which is you can do like that, print L1.pop like this, and then I'm going to print the list, print L1, and now I'm going to run this code. Again you will see what happens. Here you can see the last element, which was pomegranate, has been excluded from the list. Now the fourth one, that is sorting of element. What to do if you want to sort the element? By default sort will do in the ascending order. It means if you haven't put the type you want to sort in it, it will put the fruits in the order of the alphabets. Like if A comes first, then it will put the element starting with A first, and similarly A, B, C, D till Z. Now I have to do sorting. L1.sort, and then I'm going to print it, print L1. You will see what happens. The order will be changed. Here apples come first because A comes first, then banana starting with B, and similarly cherry, mango and orange. In the last, I would like to tell you, if you have the number of elements in the list and you cannot count by the human brain in very quick manner, so what to use? Now I am writing the list name L1 dot count. Now in this list I want to know how many times banana has occurred in the list L1. So I would write L1 dot count and then the name I want to search for the count. So I am going to print it. You can see the answer then. Print L1 dot count. Now I am going to run this again. Here you can see clearly that it has printed 2. Since the banana has occurred 2 times in our list, so it has given us the 2 and counted the banana. So in this video you learnt how to add multiple elements, you are removing any particular element or last element and sorting the list, and at last I told you how to count any particular element in the list. So now you have learned the 10 attributes of list, and I would also giving me some more in my later videos, but for this was all from today's video. I will come back again with more such videos. At the last I would say that please like my video, share it and subscribe my channel now please, that is Tech Park. So this was Sir Ali from this video. Hope you will see me again in the next videos. This was all from today's video. Thank you.